Chinese engineers have created the world's only dancing car that can jump and drive on 3 wheels. This is the Yangwang U9 sports car from BYD. It's no exaggeration to say that this car has become one of the most talked about vehicles in the world, and it's no surprise because its capabilities are truly impressive. The Yangwang U9 is equipped with 4 electric motors manufactured by BYD, delivering a total power of 1,287 horsepower. As a result, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds. The car features BYD's D-Series X chassis. In addition to dancing and jumping, which are promotional features, this supercar can take corners faster, brake without dipping its nose, and accelerate quickly without lifting its front end. It can even drive on 3 wheels if the 4th one falls off. In short, this Chinese car definitely deserves attention. Japanese engineers from Kowa Timsuk Company have introduced their version of a compact electric vehicle. The model named Cobot has a distinctive feature. It can become incredibly compact at the press of a button on the owner's smartphone. The vehicle itself is a 3-wheeled hybrid between a motorcycle and an electric car, with a retractable rear wheel and a foldable seat. In its folded form, the Cobot Beta becomes 30 centimeters smaller. This magical transformation allows the electric car to occupy less than 1 square meter of space when parked. Despite its small size, the Cobot can reach a respectable speed of about 30 kilometers per hour. Additionally, each Cobot model has a low-speed pedestrian mode, specifically designed for safe movement in pedestrian areas. The American company Kiwano has introduced the rugged off-road electric scooter KO1+, which can reach a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour. The KO1+ power source is hidden in the steering column, providing enough energy for a 40-kilometer ride before requiring a 1-hour recharge. The KO1+ is made from carbon fiber, flexible polycarbonate, and zinc alloy. Controlling the single wheel is very simple. You just need to stand on the foldable footrests and lean slightly forward, and turns are made by lightly tilting in the desired direction. The control panel features an LCD display that shows battery level, speed, and trip information. The KO1+ also has a built-in kickstand. The single wheel is available for purchase at $1,299, with a choice of tires for city rides or an off-road option. This unusual vehicle made quite a splash at the time. At the Beijing Auto Show, the Americans unveiled the design of the ultra-compact city car Chevrolet ENV 2.0. This quirky vehicle is an evolution of the ENV concepts showcased at the World Expo in Shanghai. The car was designed as a budget-friendly means of transportation that could easily navigate through traffic jams, eventually helping to eliminate them. Weighing 500 kilograms, the ENV is powered by a system similar to that of a Segway, with Segway itself participating in the development of this vehicle. The car has a range of 50 kilometers and its top speed is 50 kilometers per hour. The compact 2-seater electric ENV is ideal for many who use a vehicle solely for commuting to work or running errands. Rhino Motors has developed a next-generation electric vehicle called Rhino, which is a single-wheeled self-balancing microcycle. The Rhino is equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery that charges in just 1.5 hours and allows for a range of up to 48 kilometers on a single charge. Its top speed is around 40 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for use in pedestrian zones and even indoors. The Rhino weighs approximately 57 kilograms. It also features an advanced self-balancing system that helps maintain stability, alerts the user when speed or incline limits are exceeded, and temporarily takes over control in potentially dangerous situations. Additionally, it can handle slopes of up to 30% and has a very tight turning radius, making it ideal for maneuvering in confined spaces. Razer has developed a versatile transportation device called Razer Turbo Jets. They are a unique combination of roller skates and a hoverboard, offering users a new way to get around. These wheels are equipped with an 80-watt motor, allowing speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour. The built-in 12-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge, with charging taking around an hour. The device can support a weight of up to 80 kilograms. Turbojets easily attach to any closed-toe shoe using an adjustable Velcro strap. One wheel is motorized, while the other is a regular wheel, giving the user the option to choose which foot will lead the movement. To activate the motor, a light push forward is required, and the device will begin moving. Segway 9bot has unveiled its vision of future transportation with the 9bot S Plus, a modern electric self-balancing scooter. It is equipped with two motors with a combined power of 1600 watts, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and cover distances of up to 35 kilometers on a single battery charge, with the full charging time is about 6 hours. The 9bot S Plus can support a weight of up to 100 kilograms. For maximum comfort during rides, the scooter is fitted with large 11-inch pneumatic tires, providing a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The scooter also features an intelligent control system that works with the Segway mobile application. One of its unique functions is the auto-follow mode, where the scooter can follow its owner, adding convenience for everyday use. Xiaomi has introduced revolutionary electric roller skates called Segway Drift W1, which have become a popular product for entertainment and urban transportation. These electric roller skates, which are developed in collaboration with Segway 9bot company, offer a unique way to get around by combining a compact design with advanced technology. They can reach speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour and are equipped with a high-efficiency motor and an intelligent battery management system, allowing up to 45 minutes of use on a single charge. The full charging time for the battery is around 3 to 5 hours. These electric roller skates feature an attractive modern design, including RGB LED lights. The lightweight construction and magnesium alloy frame ensure excellent mobility and ease of transport. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.